Got the A2 Design air filter kit on it. I am in the process of trying to make my own air filter kit, not with this. It's going to be a different design. I just got to finish building it, obviously, and then I got to either get a 3D printer and learn how to print them myself, or I got to find a company that will do it for me, which would be a better bet if I could just pay a company to make it for me and then I just sell them. Alright, she's running kind of weird. Let's take a look. Better be nothing in there. But, I mean, this ain't really designed for this, but it's a swell design. I mean, yeah, there ain't a single flake of dust in there. But I've got an idea, and it could be a cheap thing, but yeah, that's a great design right there. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's a nice design. I wish I could get the cover to go over it, because really I like the A2 design 4910 air filter kit. And yeah, I mean, you can just throw it on your 501 and you won't be able to run the cover, but it's a cheaper option than the Redbeards too. So there you guys have it. A2 590 with the A2 design air filter kit. And I just used a sprocket, you know, a rim sprocket on there, just to kind of give me the space I needed. It was just something I had. I could have just got a bunch of washers or whatever, but I don't know, it's just something I had and didn't take a lot of effort. But look at that, she's pretty clean. Let's make some more cuts. Big problem was, it was like I was stepping on a big old cushion here. There's just so much sawdust, so thought I'd clean it up. Last night I took a couple hours and cleaned up the backyard. Need to weed whack everything, but don't have a weed whacker right now, so I'll get to it once I buy one this weekend.